by taking a deep breath in and out. Now imagine all the responsibilities you've been carrying lately: work, family, and the expectations you place on yourself. Picture them like a heavy backpack you've been wearing all day. For a moment, gently set that backpack down beside you. You are not throwing it away, you're simply giving yourself a break from carrying it. Now notice how your body feels without that weight. Your shoulders a little lighter, your breathing a little easier. You are allowed moments of rest. You are allowed to pause. Take another slow breath. When you're ready, you can pick things back up again, but not right now. Right now, you are simply here, and that is enough.